Hi guys, today we're going to be fidget trading. Alright, I'll offer first. So, trading this square, poppet, blue, and sparkly. Okay, what do you guys have to offer?
This is color changing and it changes to orange. It's supposed to change to orange, but it changes to really light pretty pink.
Okay, what's your offer?
This.
What is it?
I will offer this poppet.
Okay, I will accept this. I'll accept the octopus.
Oh man.
Trading octopus poppet.
Me.
Alright, what will you offer?
This again.
Okay, we all ended up with each other's poppets.
Okay,
Just so you know, this doesn't have missing poppets, it's just a puzzle piece.
and this is not real.
Yeah, this isn't a real trade, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, guys.
Bye.